Hi all, my name is Raj from RCE. Today we're going to see how we can install Android mobile applications in our laptop and PC, which we usually download it from Android Play Store or iPhone Store. These applications are meant for mobile, not for PC. So if you try to download Android Play Store applications in PC, it will not directly work. So to work and install Android mobile application, we need an emulator in our PC. So there are two kind of users. One is for application developer and testing. Other kind of users are gamers and other app viewers. So most of the time developer and testers use Android Studio and gamers and others use most likely BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is an Android emulator which is widely used worldwide in PCs and laptop for gaming purpose and other purpose. There are advantages and disadvantages for BlueStack. We will go one by one. So advantages are when we download BlueStacks from its website bluestacks.com, download. It will give you options: Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit and Mac PC. So choose according to your operating system. Mine is Windows 64-bit. And then Android 64-bit or Android 32-bit. So download 64-bit, which is faster. Click on download. It will start downloading. Once you download the application in your PC, it looks like BlueStacks installer and the version number. Now next task is that we need to install BlueStack installer in our PC. So installation is very straightforward like any other software. So I was telling about advantages and disadvantages. Advantage is that you can download any application and use it in our PC, like any games. We do one by one testing. The disadvantage is that it does not have directly Bluetooth or USB direct access from the PC. So if any software like smartwatch application which require a Bluetooth binding or a speaker which you want to bind it externally from PC to Bluetooth device, it will not work. So the installation of BlueStack engine is going on. It is about to complete. Now installation is over. So once installation part is done, you can see the screens, which is mainly made for gamer purpose. So you can play any game, download directly from Google Play Store, or you can run any application which does not require a hardware binding like USB or Bluetooth. It may take about 25 to 30 seconds. So now it is switched on. I'm putting it English version as a language. Let's go. Once you complete your download, it will ask to sign in. So use your email ID. Once that installation part is complete, it reaches to the successfully logged in account using BlueStacks. We recommend that you should use your Gmail ID to log in first time. This is our BlueStacks first screen. You see install APK. If you have directly any APK file, you can download it from here or go to Google Play Store. Like your mobile phone. Let me download game Clash of Clans, a famous game. This is for mobile. I'm installing it. It looks like similar to your mobile phone. So download is about to complete. So here we go. The installation is done. I'm opening that. It is asking your controls, up and down, zoom in and zoom up. You may edit. See. It works exactly like your mobile phone. There is no difference at all. So any application, any game, you can play in your laptop easily without any trouble. Available in your see, I can play COC easily without any issues. For any other game, I can open browser here. Any browser I can download and install. See, Play Store, home. Let me go to home. So any game or application which you install, it keeps on adding like your mobile phone. This game we downloaded, Clash of Clans, and I can play here. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like our video, do subscribe us. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.